So this is my work from outside setup. So as you can see, I have an ROG Ally over here because I don't want a laptop anymore. Hey guys, so it's freelancing time again. So we are going out with my wife because nagaya siyang mag-work sa labas, sa coffee shop. So as you can see, I have my desktop over here, which is my working or my daily driver for doing some freelance work, which is obviously hindi natin pwedeng dalhin. So that's why I have my bag over here with my computer and stuff. And this is my wife. So she is using a MacBook for working outside because syempre hindi niya pwedeng dalhin yung iMac niya. So iMac is her daily driver. So yun, that's it. Baltaan ko kayo. Let's go! So this is my work from outside setup. So as you can see, I have an ROG Ally over here because I don't want a laptop anymore because yun, nag-games din kasi ako eh. So pag wala akong games, I'm using my ROG Ally as a work laptop or a work computer because it's a Windows 11. So basically, it can run all desktop applications on a normal laptop. Then I have an external monitor, so a Lenovo external monitor because obviously this one has a smaller display, so I can work with that. So that's why I got an external monitor. Then I have a power bank over here because hindi lahat ng coffee shop kasi may saksakan. So I have a 65 watts power bank that will power my external monitor and the ROG Ally. So currently it's charging, so there. And I have a keyboard and mouse, Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. So because wala siyang USB port, so that's why I chose the Bluetooth keyboard and mouse instead. And I have a Bose headset because my client needs me to do some meetings. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung model name niya. So tingnan ko na lang and siguro comment kayo kung gusto niyo malaman yung model nitong headset na to. So ayan, napakagandang headset and superb ang quality. So, and there's my wife over there. So as mentioned, she is using a MacBook Air for her freelancing work. So ngayon, work muna kami. So yeah, that's it. How we work outside. So as you can see, we're still working. So there's my ROG Ally and there's my wife over there still working as well. So if you like this video, just give a thumbs up and thanks for watching and see you on the next video.